Toddler Play by Bailey Salvador. Here are some toddler toys that mostly intrigue boys or girls. Music is a more potent instrument than any other for education. Play-Doh. Musical instruments typically improve memory capacity for younger children. Around this age, around 2 to 3, the toddler stage, memories start to develop, and there is a huge link from memories to music. Typically, kids can link a memory to something related to music, or if there's music in the background or a certain song. So having the kids play with educational music toys makes that connection not only easier to develop, but makes other learning much more fun. Another thing that educational music toys do is develop social skills. It's pretty simple. Kids love to sing and dance. Musical instruments will have kids playing and singing and dancing together. This gets toddlers talking, having fun, socializing, so it develops those skills. Another thing that educational music toys do is they enhance the kids' motor skills. It really helps with coordination because if you're playing a piano or you're trying to strum strings, it helps them with all of that. It can even help with balance if they have to try to stand and play the drums. And motor skills are also developed with the help of musical toys. Professor Trawick Smith, the most important finding emerging from our studies is that different toys impact children's behaviors in different ways. Some toys have a powerful influence on children's thinking, interaction with peers, and creative expression. Other toys do not. Some of the toys that look most interesting to adults are not particularly effective in promoting development. This suggests that teachers can make decisions about toys as thoughtfully as they do when making decisions about any other area of the curriculum. Once toys are selected, teachers can carefully observe their impact on children's play. Do toys elicit a good balance of play behaviors across social, intellectual, and creative areas of development? Of course they do. Toys are so important when it comes to the developmental, educational aspect of these young babies, toddlers, young children. Toys is what they sit and play with at all times of the day. So we need to make sure that whatever toys we're giving our babies are the toys that stimulate their brain the most. Specifically after 2 years old, any brain cells that are not stimulated will die off. So we want to make sure to enable our kid to have, the best memory function, the best brain function that there can be. We want to make sure that they're constantly being stimulated, whether that's sitting on the floor and playing with them, whether it's reading them a book, whether it's having them watch an educational TV show. We just want to make sure they're stimulated, and toys can do that for us. A toddler-aged musical toy. I believe the best toys for toddlers and babies are the musical toys. Typically, toddlers will age with this toy. They can start by banging on the keys, then they can sing along and flip the book, working on motor skills. Then you will see them wanting to actually learn and play the song as they get a little bit older. I love these piano type toys for toddlers. They're so beneficial, especially one like this where it has a book and the keys. It sings to them. It will also tell the toddlers about colors, shapes, letters. There's usually like little things that they can push or pull, or it will pop out at them. It keeps them engaged, and there's enough in the toy that the toddler typically forgets what certain things, the toy does. So it's constantly not only a learning experience, but it's constantly entertainment for them. Thank you so much for watching.